Twitch streamers, have you heard about this new high engagement trigger for hype trains? Twitch recently announced this new setting that you'll supposedly be able to toggle on or off at your preference. If you leave it off, the standard for kicking off a hype train will remain the same. Usually this means 3 contributions in a 5-minute period from 3 different users. They can be 100 bits, a sub, or a gifted sub. However, with this new high engagement hype train feature, they gave 2 examples of what would cause a hype train to start. Example A was that chat is popping off more than usual, and they don't define exactly what this means. Example B is that historical contributors to the stream are watching. And again, there's no clarification on what they mean by historical contributors. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think that you would enable it if given the choice? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow for more.